The Rossion Q1 is one of those rare, under-the-radar supercars that turns heads not because of flashy branding, but because of what it delivers in pure driving experience. Born from the bones of the Noble M400, the Q1 represents a refined evolution, a boutique performance machine built for those who crave lightweight agility, turbocharged power, and handcrafted quality. Let's dive into the Rossion Q1 and see what makes this rare beast so special. First impressions of the Rossion Q1 start with its sleek, low-slung exterior. The design is aggressive but elegant, with aerodynamic contours and a wide planted stance. Its composite body panels and carbon fiber components help it stay feather-light, tipping the scales at just around 2,300 pounds. The front fascia features large intakes for optimal airflow, and the rear includes a diffuser and integrated spoiler that aren't just for show. They contribute to real downforce at speed. Its side profile is sharp and purposeful, with short overhangs and exposed vents that hint at its racing pedigree. The car's styling is unique, exotic without trying too hard, and immediately recognizable to the few who know its DNA. Inside, the Rossion Q1 surprises. This isn't a stripped-down track rat. The cabin is actually well appointed, with high-quality materials and a focus on comfort. Leather or Alcanera upholstery wraps the dashboard and seats, and the craftsmanship is evident in the hand-stitched details. The bucket seats provide strong lateral support, making it suitable for both spirited canyon runs and longer road trips. The center console is clean and functional, featuring analog gauges and tactile controls that appeal to purists. There's no over-the-top tech, but you do get essentials like air conditioning, power windows, a decent infotainment system, and optional navigation. What it lacks in digital gimmicks, it more than makes up for in driver engagement and clarity of purpose. The performance is where the Rossion Q1 earns its stripes. Power comes from a mid-mounted twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine sourced from Ford, tuned to produce around 508 horsepower and 521 lb-ft of torque. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, the car rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed north of 190 mph. Because of its lightweight and rear-wheel drive layout, handling is razor-sharp. The Q1 feels nimble, planted, and responsive. Steering is direct, braking is firm and confidence-inspiring, and the overall driving dynamics make it feel like an extension of your body. It's a car that rewards skill and punishes sloppiness. Exactly what enthusiasts crave. The chassis is made from a tubular steel frame with integrated roll cage, designed for rigidity and safety. Suspension is fully independent, and the car rides on adjustable coilovers that allow for tuning based on personal preference or track setup. The result is a car that's equally comfortable being pushed hard on a track or cruising through mountain roads. There's no electronic safety net like traction control or stability assist, which means the experience is raw and unfiltered. It's a throwback to what driving used to be, and for many, that's the biggest appeal. When it comes to price, the Rossion Q1 is relatively affordable for a boutique supercar. When new, it was priced around $100,000, 0 cents to $130,000, 0 cents, depending on options and customization. On the used market, prices vary widely due to the car's rarity and the condition of each unit, but you can expect to pay somewhere in the range of $70,000, 0 cents to $100,000, 0 cents today. For that price, you're getting a car with hypercar-level performance and exclusivity that rivals brands 3 times the cost. The Rossion Q1 is not about brand prestige or mass appeal. It's about a pure, analog, high-performance experience with hand-built quality and sharp engineering. For drivers who want something unique, thrilling, and focused, the Q1 is an underrated gem that delivers a raw yet refined supercar experience.